We have been with Kanobachire for a while, for some time. But there are some key things that I can say about him. One, Kanobachire as a person, a man, a family man, a teacher, a mentor, and all that has been said. Always doing it at his best. He always aspires to do his best. And indeed, this occasion, as we gather here today, is a testimony that all of you, even himself, has come out to show the world that he's actually the best in what he does. Having that confidence and ability to do what you've just pulled off is very great for us. It is a challenge, in fact. When you have served in the army for more than 25 years, those of us who are here, you know that you have done most of your life in the army, more than you've done in the civil world. If you're above 25 years of service in the army, that's what I'm trying to say. You know that you have spent more time in the army than you've spent out there. And during that time, what are you giving society? What lessons are you giving? Bachir has challenged us. Whereas he's speaking about his childhood, about the past. I read part of the book before this launch. He also touches on aspects that we can borrow a little from, that inspire. He has also touched on aspects that are in line with the message of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda and the Commander-in-Chief. What he propagates, so he's amplifying. He has amplified that message, and I want to thank you, Colonel Bachire, for that role.
I'm Colonel Philip Mutizi, and I'm honored to read this citation on behalf of the Tingira. And the citation was like the heading, citation during the launch of a book, Refusing to Quit, Light Out of Darkness, authored by Colonel J.J. Bashiri, here at Wamunifu Officers Club, Special Force Command Headquarters, Entebbe, on the 9th of May, 2025, by Brigadier General Tingira Iwumba. Originally known as the family of the hunters and cultivators, Colonel Joseph Bashiri was born into a peaceful Roman Catholic family in Ngomba village, Hama County, Ntungamo district in 1973. His parents, who are both deceased, were Mzee Daniel Makaka of the Basita clan and Steria Kobujeni of the Banzira clan. He is the fourth born in a family of 5 whose lives circulated around the Matoke and Milk Hills. The events surrounding his birth were interesting though. Accordingly, his father had paid a visit to his in-laws and something unpleasant happened. As the Banyankole culture demanded, Mzee Makaka expected to be accorded the kind of respect reserved for an in-law, but which was not the case on the day Bashichile was born. The in-laws neither received him with the local drink of tonto, nor slaughtered a goat for him. To him, this was unacceptable and a show of disrespect to a man of his caliber. On return, fuming of course with anger, he named his newborn son Yabashika, meaning that he will one day be at the same level like his in-laws.
My name is Kano Joseph Washichere. I'm the father of all these children you see here. They are part of the book because I call them golden girls. I did not put boys. I have a reason. But I'm going to request the golden girls, you move there. If you know you're a golden girl and you appear in the book. They are there. I think they are about to these ones. You will read about them. Refusing to quit is not just my journey. It's a mirror for everyone who has ever felt trapped by doubt, overwhelmed by obstacles, abandoned in their pursuit of joy and success. It is a voice that whispers you are not alone and shouts you are capable more than you can imagine. It is dedicated to those who dare to keep walking even when the road is invisible, and to those who search for light no matter how faint it grows. As I poured my heart into this book, I was energized by the words of my able and visionary leader, the Chief of Defense Forces, General Rugaba, who said, I quote, "Courage is not the absence of fear, but the judgment that something else is more important." End of quote. These words made me to learn that discipline is not about perfection. It is about showing up every other day, ready to try again, and that hope is not mere a dream. It is a fire within all of us that refuses to be extinguished, no matter the storm. To the readers of Refusing to Quit, I want you to know this. Your struggles do not define you, but your response to them does. Embrace every challenge as an opportunity to grow. Know that stumbling is not failure. It is merely a stepping stone towards progress. Believe in yourself, even when the world feels indifferent, and never underestimate the power of a single determined heart. I could not have made this journey alone. Tonight I want to express my deepest gratitude to all those individuals who made it possible for me to be who I am today, and to those who have stood by me. First, I want to thank our visionary leader, His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, the Commander-in-Chief of UPDF, and the father of our nation, for his extraordinary leadership, unwavering determination to progress, dedication to progress, and prosperity for our nation and our people. Mzee is not a leader whom you can find anywhere else. His efforts have transformed our nation into a symbol of hope and prosperity. He's not just a president. He's an architect of progress and a unifier of people and a beacon of inspiration. Through his able leadership, Mzee's vision has propelled us to new horizons, fostering growth and innovation, and ensuring that every citizen is given an opportunity to thrive. Today's launch of this book stands out as a testament to the profound impact of a leader who inspired me to dream and publish a book thanks to his works in his mustard seed.
It is a great achievement for us as people of Nyachera, people of Ruhama East, and people of Ntungamo who never quit, as he said, my brother here said it. So I want to thank you for joining this great family of authors and really wish you well, because it has been mentioned here that very soon you are going to produce another book. We shall support you, my brother. And invite you to support Colonel Joseph Waischire, because we all know that he's not just launching, but he's also selling these books. He's not about to retire, but I think this is one of the ventures, one of the sources he will use to fund his life when he retires from this great family of UPDF.
Honorable Kamukama, the Member of Parliament for Ruhama East Constituency, Kano Waischire and family, senior officers present, and the UPDF fraternity, distinguished guests present, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brigadier General Charles Asingura. Now, what makes a human being? The character of a human being is a mirror of the physical nature. And this is normally determined by the integrity, the discipline, the do's and don'ts. I'm very happy, and as a friend, and like most of you would be knowing, since you are here, you must be part of Waischire. Waischire is a person who is dependable, exemplary in everything that he does, very resilient, bold, he's a go-getter, and his integrity is not questionable. So we are here to celebrate the fruits of an extraordinary officer. Even in the UPDF, I am very sure his supervisor is here, but these are some of the very dependable officers.
Tonight we are launching a very strong mark of this country's literary works. A book titled Refusing to Quit, authored by Colonel Joseph Waischire. The book shall be launched now. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Colonel J.J. Waischire. Congratulations, the mighty UPDF.